I like trains.
Hello everyone, as you can see, there's a northbound getting up to speed. Probably should have been on the other side. That's okay. Don't know why it's going so slow. Northbound NS. I think it's 12R. We're gonna see. What? Oh, I know. You should have. I had no clue about this. But yeah. I better get in the shade. Should be some CSX action as well. Here it comes. Could be 12T or something. It could be the trash train. I don't know though. It is getting hot. Hope that my phone doesn't overheat again. That would be unfortunate. It's very possible. Yeah, this is 12T. It has to be. Trash empties. Either cars are going, or maybe they're loads. I don't know. They're going to Greencastle. It's going to be storage. Looks like they have sad faces on them. That's the way it's strapped. Guess they know that they're going bye-byes. We're almost done here at Shen. Almost done. And again, I don't know why it was going so slow through the crossing. Slowed down and then had to speed back up. Maybe they're having issues. There's a breeze. There's the end. 12T. And thank you all for watching. Got more coming up here at Shenandoah Junction.